guys, I wanted to show you this. This is another little vignette that I did. um, I have these candles that are the LED candles, the flickering candles, which I love. And on my hearth, I put a little bunny rabbit, if you can see him right there. And then I just put these glass candle holders. There's one there that's an antique, and the others were bought at Pottery Barn. And there's, I think the ones on the end, the two on the end there, I think I got those at TJ Maxx. So anyway, that gives you a little idea when you can't have a fire in the fireplace when it gets warmer. Just do this. This is for my Easter with that little Easter bunny. And the little Easter bunny I bought at an antique store. And I just love him because he has his little hands all crossed. So I just wanted to do this morning and show you this. This is Decorating with Kaye, 1 minute of showing you exactly what of these little vignettes that I do in my home. Hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And stay home. Be safe. Until tomorrow.